Politicians need to come out to account to the people. Ngokuthi kwenzakalani ngerevolution yabo. Sula lokusaqala kulisa incindezelo kuzobe namhlanje. Sidinga ukuthi sikwazi futhi siqondisise ukuthi irevolution yethu masiqala mhlawumbe kuyimaka from 1912. Kuqala lapha South African Natives National Congress ehambe yashintsha ngo1923 yazoba iAfrican National Congress. Imaphi ama changes esisiwabonile ayingxenye yale reconfiguration of our revolution. Ngizoyiqala ku1912 ngoba ngeke ngihlehle ngiye kozondi uBhambatha kaMancinza, ngeke ngihlehle ngiye koSigananda Phuma enkandla, ngeke ngihlehle ngemuva ngoba ngeke amandla ngifike koShaka angimboni uShaka njengomuntu abayi-revolutionary ngabe ngiqamba amanga. Masikhuluma ke la nge-reconfiguration of the revolution. I-reconfiguration ke isimo lapho into isuke izihlela kabusha, izihlelemba ngendlela entsha khona izohambelana neyinselelo namathuba angaleso sikhathi. Kuthiwa lokho yini ke yi-reconfiguration. Ilapho yonke into isuke ihlela khona kabusha. Nayo-ke le revolution yethu sukela le muva ungaqala khona koNondaba uye koSigananda noba uzohamba ubona ukuthi behamba le revolution ishintsha i-shape endleleni kuza namhlanje. Kodwa ngizoyiqala mina from 1912 ke njengoba ngishilo ukuthi 1912 kuqala i-South African Natives National Congress. Inhloso enkulu njengoba kunegama elithi natives lelo gama kwakubhekelele kakhulukazi inhloso nezimo zabala eAfrica, ikakhulukazi eSouth Africa. Uma sithi natives, inative umuntu owazalwa kuleyo ndawo ongakusona sifika namthwalo. So ke sikhathi uqala ke leli qembu leli elizama ukuphusha irevolution yethu eshintshile ngo1923 yaba African National Congress. Inhloso nqangi yayo kwakubhekelela incindezelo ebhekiswe abantu abamnyama nokubuyisa okungamagugu akwantu, kuwabuyisela kubantu, kubanika isidima, futhi kuphinde kuthathwa amandla imandekanye nomhlaba ubuyiselwe kubantu abamnyama phela ibona abawumthetho kuyimilela kulelizwe lase-Afrika, ikakhulukazi la ekuthiwa isemzansi bathi Azania abanye. So kodwa ke yafika futhi le reconfiguration engikhuluma ngayo engibona ukuthi mhlawumbe siyadinga ukuyihlaziya ngoba njalo mangabe le reconfiguration yethu yenzeka kuba nesimo sokuthi ebese senza ama-mistakes azosilimaza kusasa. Lama mistakes ke adalwa izinqa ezimbili. Eyokuqala ahambisana nemvelo yethu njengama-Afrika ukuthi kahle kahle singabantu abanjani. Eyesibili reconfiguration yenzeka ngokukhalinywa umcindezelo uqobo ngoba umcindezelo wethu esibhekene nayo ufunde kakhulu kunathi, uwazi imiqondo yethu, isicabanga sithula futhi akwazi ukuqagela correctly ukuthi makwenzeka ukuthi sizokwenza kanje, mabenza ukuthi bona thina sizokwenza kanje, mabekhuluma ukuthi thina sizokwenza kanje, mabetshala into ethize thina sizokwenza kanje. So banomqondo okwazi even upredictor noma ukuqagela indlela esoyiphatha ngayo kusukela egamekweni ethize abazozenza bona. Ngizokuhumusha ke lokho uma ngiya phambili. So ke njengoba ngishilo 1912 inhloso nje ukubuyisa isidima sabantu abamnyama, kwakubuyisa umhlaba wabantu abamnyama, kwakubuyisa amandla abantu abamnyama bekwazi ukuphila ngendlela bona abafuna ukuyibona beyiyona futhi bephile ngayo ukuthi self determination. Ikakhulukazi ozashoke ukuthi nomlungu yakumukela ukuthi uyisahambi kulelizwe asikwazi ukuba ngomhlaba naye nongamagugu alelizwe. So yaqala lokho ke i-SANNC yaqhubeka ke yaqhubeka ukuphusha lembono. Wafika mase isigaba sokuthi kube la reconfiguration engikhuluma ngayo uthi njalo mayenzeka masihlela kabusha njenge-revolution senza ama-mistakes asilimaza kuya phambili, and ngithi lawo mistakes one adalwa ukuthi isinemvelo ethize silimazayo fesibhekane nayo ngoba masingabhekani nayo yohlezi ishaya, and two amanye ama-mistakes siyawenziswa ngoba umcindezelo wethu ukwazi ukuselusa njengenkomo. 1923 ngonxa ukuthi phela kusukela la 1912 kuya 1923 behambe i-reconfiguration le revolution ihlela kabusha, and into eproblem mayihlela kabusha njalo thina khona sikuluzayo esiyikho siyakuluza, siya ngokudedela, siya ngokuvumela umcindezelo ukuba aphumelele ezintweni ezisemqoka esathi masiqala sathi sifuna usivimbe njengokuthi umhlaba awubuyiselwe kubantu abamnyama. Wathi makubhekela laphana ko1923 yaqala manje lashintsha ulimi lale revolution yethu. Kwaqala kwathiwa manje ngoba phela siqala sasithi uSouth Africa ibelonga kuma South Africans. Lelizwe elama South Africans abangabantu abamnyama, the Africans in particular. Kodwa ukuya phambili saqala manje shuthi kwakhona ukushintsha ke sathi hayi kahle kahle lelizwe alibelongi kubantu abamnyama kuphela, libelonga kuwona wonke umuntu ohleli kulona. Laqala ke iqembu SANC lazwakala lintekenteke kwabanye abamnyama bona abahleli kuma values noma kwinkolo zokuthi lelizwe lomuntu omnyama sikwazi ukuthi libelonga kuwona wonke umuntu la ngoba la sekunanezinye izizwe eziningi ezisicindezela. Hayi 1923 shuthi ngokubona ukuthi hayi le ndaba usiphushe ipolitiki yomuntu omnyama shuthi ukhongolose wabothi hayi kuyawulimaza. Bashintsha ngo1923 base bemani manje African National Congress. Yona ke esiphusha lo mbono ke manje udede ukuthi iSouth Africa leni ibelonga kuwona wonke umuntu ohleli kuyona. Ngisho ngathiwa wesifika namthwalo njengomlungu abafika ngesikebhe laphana 1652 ngomhla 6 April Jan van Riebeeck Dutch East India Company. Nawe masulendile la nawe sekumhlaba wakho. Bashintshela ke manje sigabeni sani sokuthi sebeyini sebe ANC ngo1923. Lapho ke le revolution i-reconfigure khona futhi ihlelemba kabusha kodwa ishintsha inhloso nqangi zayo nolimi lwayo. Hayi bangayithanda abaningi abamnyama bangaphakathi seku-ANC. Yingakho mawubheka makunyuka laphana kuye ku1958 iPAC Pan Africanist Congress yakhetha ukuthi hayi ngeke iyayishiya le ANC esikhuluma ulimi lokuthi manje umhlaba lo sikuwona eSouth Africa ubhulanga kuwona wonke umuntu mawusungaphakathi nje nawe sekumhlaba wakho. Yayireconfigure futhi le revolution sabona kusuka isixa saseyingqalabutho ezilwela umzabalazo ebeyisahleli zona ekutheni cha iAfrica yabantu abamnyama bafowethu masingakhohlisani kodwa ngoba izwi labo la ngokuhlulwa ngaphakathi kwaANC entsha esiyakhiwe no1923 babothi hayi ongcono kosobukwe siyaphuma thina. Ukuphuma ke kababa osobukwa ephuma nalabo ababekholelwa kakhulu ekutheni asike isidingo sokudedela esikulwelayo bafowethu ngoba lesi inqumo esiyithathayo seyivuna umlungu futhi zenza manje ukuthi ke le liberation yethu le revolution yethu ingabe sacaca ukuthi kanti ifuna uachievani mase sidedela lo mhlaba from ideological level ukuthi hayi wonke umuntu ola eSouth Africa ongowakhe. Ephuka ke wePAC abantu abaningi abangazi ukuthi yaxephuka ngo1958 izathu ukuthi usuthu ANC obekwe ngo1923 wona hayi izwe sengela wonke umuntu okhona la. Iyo point ke lengisho ukuthi it reconfigured itself again and I said to you njalo maye reconfigure senza ama mistakes. One ngenxa yemvelo yethu, secondly ngenxa yokuthi siyakhalenywa phela incindezelo wethu ngoba ukhaliphe kakhulu kunathi ufunde kakhulu kunathi ukwazi nokuqagela ukuthi uma ngabe nje ngifaka umlayezo ku TV ngathi uzuma corrupt ngawuphinda kusasa ngathi uzuma corrupt ngaphinda uzuma corrupt kuyogcina nabantu sebebelieve ukuthi uzuma corrupt noma ngabe evidence bengayiboni ngoba imvelo yengqondo yomuntu iweak ngaleyo ndlela. Ngisho lokho ukuthi bafunde kakhulu kunathi bayasazi ukuthi mawuthatha umlayezo ngisho ngathi ukhuluma ngamanga lo mlayezo mawuzophinda phinda uphinde uthatha amadoda agqoka amasudu uwabize ngama-stalwarts aye ku-TV ayokhuluma kabi ngozuma akhuluma amahele nje uphinde uthatha amanye amadoda nomama befaka amasudu bayokhuluma nge-step catcher iyogcina step capture isi-reality emakhanda abantu even though ngokomthetho ingayenzi ingqondo, even though ngokomthetho bungekho ubufakazi, even though sazi ukuthi there are 3 arms of the state which must be captured for you to say there's a state capture. Yingobani bebazi kahle ukuthi mawuphinda lo mlayezo emakhanda ethu uyogcina ungenile sukholwe noma ngabe ungamahele unjalo. Ngisho lokho ukuthi mabona ngithi bafunde kakhulu kunathi bakwazi nokuqagela ukuyiphatha kwethu sihleli sithule sicabanga bayazi ukuthi bengasenza kanjani singacabangi kanje sicabange kanje. Nalamhlanje sikhuluma ulimi lamagutha esingenafazi ukuthi antshontsha akaze sithola amadola ngaphansi kosofa amagutha kodwa amagutha lesingabafuni siyamthanda uRamaphosa okunamadola atholakala kusofa ila ingqondweni la ikhona inkinga. So njalo ke ngenkulu bayakwazi usikhalima njengenkomo bayakwazi benze izinto ezizosenza sinyanye abazinkinga kubona sithande abasebenzela bona njengoMatanyula. So 1958 ke yaphuma ke iPAC noma busobuko yangagcina lapho ke reconfiguration le movement le liberation yethu ngokukhalinywa nokungama mistakes esinawo njengabantu abamnyama esidinga ikhulula kwincindezelo. Uthema kuyaphambili manje sekuvela manje le era kaNelson Mandela Siyakhumbula ukuthi kunama-social omkhonto wesizwe ayese-exile. One of them is my own brother. Ababethi siyawuthatha umhlaba masibuya kuyokhala umbambayo kuyokhala uSmith ngomhla sibuyayo ngomhla sibuyayo ngoba yayithini ivision yathi mayebuya sithatha konke ngokwethu umlungu mabe ehluleke ukuhlala nathi njengomuntu oyongena emanzini abuyele ezweni lakhe umhlaba siyawuthatha ubuyela ngakuthina konke kodwa yafika ke ne-era kaNelson Mandela esizwayo ukuthi ke waqalwa ke lapho ke waba nama discussions nabelungu engaphakathi eRobben Island futhi washesha yena ukuphuma mabesizwa kahle kwasala abanye ngaphakathi kwenzakalani ke waqala ama Codesa negotiations there's Codesa 1 and Codesa 2 angizogcila kakhulu khona ngoba I'm not trying to do lecture about this but I'm trying to point the milestones in which our revolution reconfigured itself and in the process of that yenza ama-mistakes ngenxa yokukhalinywa nangamaphutha ayimvelo kuthina so ama-negotiations aqala-ke pre-Codesa 1 and pre-Codesa 2 yilesikhathi uMandela phela ephuma ejele ngendlela ephuma ngayo ekhuluma nabelungu kuhlelembwa kabusha le revolution yethu siyazi ukuthi kuba nama-decisions ayasurprisayo one of those was to ban the armed struggle. It was to nullify it, was to destroy it to ashes. Lama social ayepesheya kwilwandle go Zambia, go Lusaka, amanye they have gone as far as Russia. Ayazwa including Chris Hani. Bezwa ngendaba ukuthi hawu sihlakaziwe umkhonto wesizwe. The military wing of the ANC the military wing of the revolution has been disbanded manje akho sosha manje lisehlathini lolelizwe manibuya la buyani sinifake kunakhuza ku-SNNDF laphana sisenze integration abanye benu esibabona basile sibathathe sibafake sisebenze nabo la sebenzele ini uhulumeni buyani masosha nizohlupheka lento naniyilwela ayikho futhi ikhohlweni lento eyaqhumisa uChris Hani ikhanda ukuthi boMandela bakwenza kanjani bedayise kusekhona ingane zabantu esalambile exile. My own brother when he came back I was speaking positively of Nelson Mandela on our first day sihlangana but I was surprised by his reaction ngoba he was very hating Nelson Mandela because he knew what I didn't know. I was very young. I think I was around about 15 to 16 years. So he knew Utu Mandela has sold them out and they had to suffer from hunger while they were in exile and even face more threats. There was no more stronger protection and support for them. Since Mandela was to decide to disband MK, the military wing of the revolution yabantu. So ke reconfigure ke lapho futhi ngoba sasibheke lapho kubani ku1994 abantu sebeqalile bebona uMercedes sebeqalile bebazi ukuthi ama-shares bawo bazothola kuphi sebeqalile bethola ama-Slay Queen sebeqale vele bethola imali abanye sebeqale vele sebehlala emzini ebizayo eyakhiwe umcindezeli reconfigure futhi revolution yethu ngoba ama-ideologies sasinawo aqala ashintshe abantu abathize abaziholayo bathi hayi ngeke sifuna ikhekhe manje nathi sesifuna ukudla nathi manje kade silwe exile. So it was another point ngoba lapha kwiCodesa 1 and 2 saluza kakhulu ama-discussions amathize including critical points of the revolution including ezomhlaba wagcina ngampela umhlaba usale kubelungu province iyodwa kuphela eyakwazi ukuprotect umhlaba wayo yini ilakhuza iKwaZulu Natal ngoba yona iqhubekile umhlaba wasala ngaphansi kwengonyama leya ephethe sosikhathi kuzukuze namhlanje lo ndlela safikeleka zonke ezinye izindlu zamakhosi ubukhosi ngokuhlona kwakho including umkhosi babambo kwakwazi ukuthi uyiprotect indawo yawo nobukhosi bakaZulu bakwazi ukuyiprotect nawo indawo yabo so ngobani njalo ngoba futhi la kwaZulu Natal asikuvume futhi ukuthi ngaphansi kobuholi komntwana kaphinda angene kuyavela futhi ukusebenzisana kakhulu nokunqamalala bakwazi bona ukulivikela izwe la kwaZulu Natal sithi ke saluthi ke kulawa maqhawe asenikhohliwe maqhawe noma ukunqamalala wanga-ANC kodwa wakwazi ukwenza ubulungiswa ngokuthi asebenzisane nomntwana kaphinda ngene bekwazi ukugcina lelizwe laKwaZulu Natal lingaphansi kobuholi besintu kodwa ke ezinye indawo awukwenza ayiluza ke indawo zazo bawuluza umhlaba left and right kwaluzwa lapha kwashintshwa ke kukhandwa ngamanje ke lokuthiwa yini Rainbow Nation ukwakhiwa le Rainbow Nation sekelo sakho kwawukuthi first year ukwenza ama demands athize njengalawo umhlaba namanye ama-demand rural development sivumela ukuthi lelizwe libuswe ngokwentando yengcosana okuyiyona enamandla ezomcebo yayi-reconfigured nalapho futhi revolution yethu ihamba ithambisa nje ihamba ithambisa bese kufuna siye ngokuthamba kosami siqale manje sikuvumela ukuthi hayi noma ngangenzeka egcinanga lapho i-reconfiguration le-revolution asiyibuke manje-ke nge-era kabani ake ngiqale nje lapha kuMbeki immediately nje kusuka kuMandela into esayibonayo egqamayo lapho ukuthi ama-economic policies ayethathwa are becoming more neoliberal ayasuka kwi-pan-Africanism ovele siqala ukuyishiya as early as before 1923 at the values of Africans determining themselves, deciding what belongs to them, what doesn't belong to them, and how they want to govern it. So why ngokuthi kuyashintsha so kungena-ke i-era kaMbeki kwashintsha kakhulu-ke manje ama-policies akhona aqala athatha ama-economic models athinta amazwe noma acishe afane nawo amazwe asathuthukile khona nje sesodakeni ngaleyo ndlela kwa-create advantage for the bourgeoisie class or laba abangama-capital ukuthi bona bekwazi ukuzama ukuyiphilisa noma ngabe inqwaba ezoqhubeka yenze njani ihlupheka yaqala yagama i-ANC immediately even during the times of Mandela to Mbeki ukuthi lama-ideologies anjengo-communism, socialism iyaqala manje iyawaqhathulula iyayisusa bona ngoba lawo ma-ideologies akhuluma ngomuntu omnyama ukuthi kumele umhlaba ubuyele kuyena kumele naye athuthuke kumele naye abe nesixa asitholayo kwezomcebo wezwe. That is what socialism esithemba ukuthi ngelinye ilanga yokhulela kwini kwi-communism ngokwe-Marxism-Leninism as our political ideology. Yaqala manje ANC baqala uMandela basho ukuthi bona hey bona not a socialist party. ANC is not a socialist party, is the nationalist party. Bakusho lawo ngobani base besemandleni kodwa bengangena emandleni babekhuluma lona ulimi lo-socialism ngoba babazi ukuthi lukhuluma ngqo enhlosweni nasey'nkingeni zabantu abamnyama. Kodwa ngenxa yokureconfigurisheka kwe-revolution ihambe kancane i-revolution yethu umuntu omnyama iya ngokumdedela inhloso zakhe nenkinga zakhe iya ngokuphuma kuzona iya ngokuthi ikhiphe kuzona ngoba hayi iyabona they carry burden ebaqhatha nomlungu okuyena phela obaphakelayo. Sikuzwile futhi lokho nangey'khathi zombalula njengoba sebephethe lapha ngaphansi kaRamaphosa ukuthi bayasho nabo ukuthi i-ANC is not a socialist movement. I-ANC akuyona abantu abamnyama kuphela. So abasayibuka ipolitiki yethu emehlweni ukuthi ubani ocindezelwe ubani ocindezelayo sebebuke kuthe nje hayi iphilani indoda ayibone la ikhona wenze njani thina nje ungalindeleli ukuthi ngoba umnyama ucindezekile khona sizokwenza ngaloko ayibone indoda yenze njani. We are running a neoliberal state la kwamayiphandele. So yabaleka i-ANC from ama-girls abantu abamnyama abazi kahle ukuthi wona ngabasiza ukuthi bekhululeke phela bukhona abakutholayo ngomhlaba wabo. Iya-reconfiguration revolution ibuka akupheli-ke lapho aqhubeka ngaphansi kwa-ANC ikakhulukazi mobuka ngekhathi laphana ngo-2016 2017 kuzongena uRamaphosa yaqala manje i-ANC kuma-policy conferences ayo yaya ngokwaphushela ngaphandle ama-resolutions athinta i-radical economic transformation okusho ukuthi-ke sithi sicela kube noshintsho olubonakalayo oluhambisana ney'nhloso ze-revolution abuye umhlaba kubantu ayi-nationalize ama-mines ayi-nationalize i-banking sector akube ne-transformation kuma-industries akube ne-industrialization asithole i-free education free health nokunye kutholakala phela from the state ngoba sona sobe sesifunctiona ngendlela e-right ebhelela iy'mpilo ne-development yabantu. Aqala lama-resolutions kwi-ANC from 2016 aphushelwa ngaphandle ayesengenile vele ama-RT resolutions asaphesa ukuthi hayi ngasiwa implement lawo ayeke afaka kodwa nje indaba yawo ake simele eceleni. That's why-ke ungezwa lutho ngokubusa umhlaba njengamanje ngaphansi Ramaphosa ungezwa lutho nge-NHI ungezwa lutho nge-free education ungezwa lutho nge-free health ngoba phela indaba esekutheni radical economic transformation njengamanje ifakwe emngqonyeni ngaphansi kaRamaphosa. Konke lokho njalo kuzimpawu zani ze-reconfiguration of a revolution ngokuhamba yenza ama-mistakes ihamba idedela iy'nhloso nqangi zabantu abamnyama. So first kwazi-ke lokuthi-ke kusukela le muva I've just started from 1912 sambe le revolution i-reconfiguration and njengoba i-reconfiguration iyenza ama-mistakes in the process of reconfiguring itself and lawo mistakes enzeka ngokuthi thina vele sinamaphutha ngokwemvelo yethu njengokuthi nje asithembani 1 2 siyahluleka ukubekezelela i-gain ezofika kusasa sifuna ukudliwe manje asifuna uku-investa to ama-political ideologies ethu njengokuthi sime nombono othize shithwa kunzima sime nawo up until ufezeke njengokubuyiswa komhlaba yithina kuqala shesha criticize ukuthi hayi bakithi baxoshwelani nje ngempela kodwa hayi kodwa bakithi vele umhlaba thina sowenzani ngoba sifuna kwakufama hayi thina senza ama excuses iqala ngoba sibalekela ipain of transformation ezoba nama-gains kusasa. So we want to gain now. Makuthiwa njengamanje hayi umlungu uthi nansi imali khohlwa nomhlaba. Hawu sadla thina sine-culture yogqoko sithi ayihlatshwe manje inkomo iphekwe manje ibekwe ogqokweni siyidikadika. Kuthi kusasa kuyoba njani sesinenkinga. Sine-fatalism yokuthi ezinye iy'nqumo esiy'thathayo asilibukeli kusasa ngoba sithi hayi ngaze ngihlale nje mina ngilokhu investile lana ngaze ngani ngiyofanini impilo yami sezandleni zikaNkulunkulu. Asikwazi ukuthatha iy'nqumo ey'shubile nezomeleleka njengalezi abelungu sebeke bey'thatha bekhanda ama-empires abo amabhizinisi amakhulu bekhandela iy'zukulwane ezayo. Thina cha sifuna sidle manje sisaphila ingane iyobona nayo kusasiyenze njani. So akusho mina-ke bakithi-ke kusho abastadishayo nami futhi ngiyakubona abakushoyo. Uma ungabuka nje khona incwadi to development of the third world. I think it's Melcote and Steels. Uma ungayicheka leyo ncwadi I think bayakha ngo-2005 abakhuluma khona ukuthi yini what factors that develop what delay i-development amongst the black class. They call us the third world. Ikakhulukazi basho it's what is called the in the head factors ngoba one of the things edala singadevelophi bathi silekha an arc need to achieve. Asabona abantu who focus a lot in achieving things for the greater future, but ngabantu who want to achieve to use now. We lack what is called deferred gratification. Asikwazi ukulinda ukujabula sifuna ukuthi kujabule manje ngakho sinema-parties amaningi. Monday kune-party, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and you don't know what is being celebrated because we are ceremonial in nature and we lack deferred gratification. Sifuna ukujabula manje, sifuna ukuhlezi si-happy ekubeni umhlaba ubuhamba ne-revolution ingayi phambili ngoba singabantu abangakwazi ufokhasa. Wena umlungu uyafokhasa umlungu ufokhasa ngisho ekucindezelo uyafokhasa kwincindeza ayibeka kwena. Aphuze kancane abeka phakathi utshwala ngiqhuba kanjani ukucindezele lokhu athi kuyavuka laphana engushaye ngapha anje qhapha hawu thina sithatha ikesi la silibekela hayi not ikesi lapha ikesi lapha kuyakhonokho sijabule. Umlunga lo mzuzu uyaplana ukuthi kwenziwani ngathi ingcabane encane sithuba encane lokuxabana. We don't miss it. Yilama mistakes esiwenzayo ngokwemvelo yethu silwa njalo. Hayi wena umXhosa, hayi wena umZulu, hayi wena uMpedi, hey mina ngifuna ehlangane la. Bathi naturally we can't unite ngenxa ukuthi imiqondo yethu icabanga ngendlela ethize and khona kanye lokho oda singadevelopeki. 1 2 kube lula ukusidivide nokusinqoba. Kushabelo hamba ufunde lapha la ngikhulumela ngathi Melcote and Steve 205 Development of the Third World. I'm just giving you that book for now. So engifuna ukubukeka ukuthi-ke all this time our revolution is busy reconfiguring itself and njalo ma reconfiguration iyenza ama-mistake ngenxa yemvelo yethu. Secondly iphinde yenza ama-mistakes ngokukhalinywa njengenkomo ngoba umcinezeli wethu ukhaliphe kakhulu kunathi ufundile wazi imiqondo yethu sithule esenza. So bayazi uma funa sinyanye ubani kuzokwenziwa kanje, ama-first hand ubani sokwenzeka kanje. Khona lethu i-iconism nje abalikhandlela i-icon bentsho hayi nangu umuntu oright asimcelebrate, he's a very good leader. Beko TV laphana nakhumbula uMandela ukuthi wahappened okwayi-icon kanjani ekho waziyo bekuthathe bekubeke lapha esicongweni kuthiwa peace Nobel bani whatever those things angene khona manje nyaye Nobel Peace Prize whatever nonsense that thing is. Benzelanda working around your brain ukuthi lo muntu mayesebekwe lapha wabukeka successful nawe usufisa ukuba uyena and khona uzoba uyena usuzokwenza izinto azenzayo naye show ngalo ndlela uswenza exactly what umlungu wants you to do. So as siyakhala laba mfowethu ifuna le revolution ingayizeli ngobuso. Ingakho ngithi nina bafethu enolaka lapha baseground nambe kephi ngenihlisa ulaka leni kancane ngoba sidinga ukucabanga la, sidinga ukwenza right la, sidinga ukuthi sikwazi ufocusa ngangomlungu la, otherwise asikhohle revolution. Manje siyafocusa siyadonswa ngapha. Okay ngidlule ngibuyele kwi-reconfiguration guys. Namhlanje i-reconfiguration yenzeka namhlanje. The very same PAC kaSobuko yaphumela ukuthi ulimi lomuntu omnyama asakhulunywa kule revolution. Umhlaba ukuthi awubuyele kubantu ayisakhulunywa lonto. Namhlanje leyo PAC ikwi-GNU ihlala kwi-same boardroom ne-DA eqhamuka kwi-National Party eyabelungu umzukulu we-political party yamabhunu. Akutsheleke lokuthi-ke as it reconfigures itself, we lose a lot. Which means the basic ideologies of PAC have submitted to the white order. Ngoba siyazi phela i-GNU is the white order, is arranged way above the ANC. The ANC may like to front and say you're responsible for GNU. No, they are implementers. ANC implemented GNU, is not an inventor of GNU. The inventor of the GNU is the handler of the ANC, which is the white order. We call it white monopoly capital. So, we make a lot of mistakes. We compromise who we are. So, up until we deal with our realities, ngeke poverty. Ngoba sikhathi reconfiguration, senza ama mistakes. Amanye alawo mistakes ukulanda abantu who are already compromised. Sibafake kwi-revolution yet today. And along with them, they bring their weaknesses. Ukwenza izinto wrong esenze in the past. That's why ngiyinqaphaza lokho ngeke senze into besenza yakhongolosa. Sishiye phansi ngoba those things are the very same things which stalled our revolution. Izona kanye the revolution thing move. Lama behaviors e corruption. Le ndaba yentshontsho. Le ndaba yokubeka abantu ngokuthi ngama collections bengenamakhono or implement ama programs or ama project on the ground. Agcina ama project amaningi eseba abandoned. Development projects eba abandoned because there's incompetence. Kodwa lona ndaba ngoba lo incompetence ibenziwa ucomrade wakho and ubenza sure ukuthi imali uyayidlulisa kwena. Mawufuna uprove into ngisho hamba ufunde ama Auditor General of South Africa reports, AXA reports. Amaningi azokutshela ukuthi how many projects, development projects get abandoned in South Africa across the departments simply because there was poor monitoring. There was no oversight and there was lack of skills from the department to monitor the program, and by the implementers as well. They carried no skills but imali onesebenziwe. Becebe abantu bengazilutho benjalo bezigebengu benjalo. So those are the mistakes ukuthi mas njalo le revolution ethi zama yaphambili. Siphinde sihoshe bona labantu who are compromised to come and be with us, to come and even lead us as compromised as they are. And siphinde futhi nathi sithathe nama-skills esiwafundayo are wrong, alimazayo, size nawo in a new era of the revolution as it reconfigures itself. So sengivala ngithi-ke siyadingeka ama-comrades ukubuka kahle ukuthi imaphi ama-key points of reconfigurations esingena kuwona ukuya phambili manje ngoba ipast kukhulu kwi-fix. Ipast is damaged already and we have wasted a lot. Kuya phambili, what are key stages of reconfiguration ezayo phamba kwethu, and how do we go back to the ideals of the revolution and protect those ideals zethu, lezo inhloso zethu ze-revolution siyiprotecta kanjani kuya phambili, siyibuyisa kanjani sesiyiluzile siyibuyisela kwitafula again njengoba nje i-people's mandate yomkhonto wesizwe isho, and senza kanjani siwa-protect every time i-movement yethu si-reconfiguration ukuya phambili. But if we don't do that, bazosikhalima belungu ngokwazi ama-mistakes ethu ukuthi siqhubeke senze ama-mistakes. Okwesibili, nathi siyadinga ukuyibuka ukuthi yini esiyenzayo bafowethu ukwenza revolution yethu ilimali. Kodwa ukuhamba phambili ufuna uyicebisa ngokushesha ngoba we lack deferred gratification, bese emva kwalokho si-compromise the greater good efeyenzeke in future. So-ke ipoint yami ithi-ke kwazini bafowethu inselelo esinazo namhlanje ayiqali namhlanje, iqala even way before 1912. Njalo sihambe sikhalinywa abelungu besenza ama-mistakes amabomu namanye ama-mistakes nasiwenzayo ngenxa yemvelo yethu esidingelanga sibhekane nayo, ngoba uma singakwenzi lokho imvelo yethu yokuba divisive against each other, yokuba violent against each other, yokufuna ukuceba ngokushesha kuze ubulale ivision enkulu obufuna uceba manje wena suyakuRamaphosa usekunikeza imali ubulale the bigger movement. Iyona kanye edasibe nje namhlanje futhi siyoqhubeka sihlupheke soze siyofa up until sidile nama-mistakes esiwenza njalo when our movement reconfigures itself moving forward. Thina sizwe esimnyam sikhalela izwe lethu lathathwa abamhlophe